Okay, so this video I hope works. If you have questions, please shoot me an email after it, or if you're having issues accessing it, I'm going to upload it through YouTube, so it will hopefully work. Just a quick overview for what to expect this week. On Monday and Tuesday, we are going to be spending more time working on our informative essay. If you are gone, you need to keep working on that essay on your own. You're not going to have that much class time. It's due a week from Friday. A week from Friday. You need to meet all of the requirements and you need to submit it through Canvas. On the essay, by the end of the week, you should have your introduction paragraph done and 2 body paragraphs completed, and probably, depending on how our shortened schedule looks, you should be working on your 3rd body paragraph. If you are falling behind, you need to come in during advisory and work, or come in before or after school if I'm here. You need to get that done. Other than the essay, there are not going to be many assignments left this quarter. We do not have a discussion board due this week. What you do have, however, is a few study guides that are going to be due. After this week, I think there's only 2 more study guides. There might be a 3rd one. So we're wrapping up the novel, and we will have a novel test, not next week, but the week after, so you need to be ready for that. So get caught up on the novel if you're not, and finish 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 as far as the study guides go, and then work on your essay. As you write your essay, you need to be writing using the different styles and types of sentences. You should have compound, complex, and simple sentences all in your essay. If you have questions, again, please let me know.